John Eva Bagambero bwabyari umujenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwesurwe Indigenous Seed and Food Fair ogubiro mu Fort Poto ahize bari anyuma abaza.
To ensure that we move back into indigenous food, organic agriculture. And then we have what Professor said here, I noted it here. He said that we have the seed, yes, but we now need to call it regenerative agriculture.
Omukoro gutebekanisiibwe n'ekigendererwa eky'obwegyese abantu aha mugasho gw'ebyokurya eby'enzarwa kandi n'omugasho ogubikureeta aha magara gaabo.
All what we have now is what the children were saying, junk. But junk how? Junk because they are poorly processed. They are poorly produced. That is why the problem is the production process.
Okurjira abihandiko ku rwo Ministry y'ebyamagara ekyanga ekyatoro nicyo cyo kukiza y'abaana bazingamire ahabwo kurya kubi obwo bari ahabucweka 38 n'obutonyeza mushanju. Ebihandiko ni bimwe nebyoreka ngo bucweka obu nubwo abana bari hansi y'emyaka 5 y'obukuru.
I want to see a slot of those children being supported by you by providing scholarships, because I did not grow like them. It means we are bringing back those category of people that will know, that will grow from the beginning, that this indigenous food is the best.
Omukoro ogu gutebekanisiibwa ba joint efforts to save the environment ahansi y'omuramwa oguri kugira ngu okworeka amaani agari omu mbubo n'ebyokurya byaitu ebyenzarwa omu kuhangaza ebyokurya omu kyanga kya Rwenzori.
With the objective of being together, sharing together the best practices and the progress of the indigenous seeds within the region.
And this was a reflection of a food secure community. If you move to any home without a planner, then you start to wonder what is going on.
Rwabuhinga nagumza amashoborora kurungi okwendi yambyeho bwahati niyetumira endwara zitari zimwe na zimwe nka za pressure, shukari, cancer hamwe n'izindi zarengesereza.
The children or the people that fed on these have lived very long lives. The people who fed on these have been the best performers in classes.
Gasha kwa jina Nsinganto.